In British English.
Commodore. Commodore.
Commodore. Commodore.
Commodore. Commodore.
Examples in phrases and sentences.
I recently became Commodore of a large boat club. In May 1787 he left England as Commodore of the First Fleet. Vic is the Commodore and an original member of the yacht club. Promotions and postings followed, until she was made Air Commodore. The highest-ranking female officer in the Royal Navy is a Commodore. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find similar videos for each and every English word in the dictionary on our website.